What's up my beautiful family, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Mr. Roland Travel. In today's video guys, I'm around Kirinya. Kirinya is located in Wakiso district, and as you can see the other side there guys, it's where the Nambol Stadium is located, and this side you're going to be seeing Kirinya. In Kirinya guys, there is beautiful hotels. As you can see, one is there behind me, and you're going to see many more around this place guys. Kindly, if it's your first time to watch my videos, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel so be part of the family. Also, don't forget to leave us your thought in the comment section. I'll appreciate so much guys. Let's go.
This is where our video starts from. The difference between Nalia and Kirinya is, in Nalia there is a lot of apartments, there is a lot of buildings, there is a lot of construction going on. Nalia is very developed guys. So the good things about Kirinya also is coming guys, because they have put a good roads and the view of it is so amazing guys. You know, I just want to give you a quick tour so that you can see how Kirinya is. Kirinya also, it's a best place guys, where you can buy your plot from. You can get at the best price, you know. Just let me give you a quick tour so that you can see how Kirinya is, and just leave me your thought in the comment section. Just let me know what do you think about this video and what do you think about Kirinya guys. Let's go.
So now guys, thank you so much for clicking. This is the end of this video. I really appreciate your support and love. Kindly, if you first time to watch my videos, guys, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel so be part of the family. Also, ciao in the next one, guys. I just appreciate,